Yes, welcome. The topic is projection of straight lines on the subject engineering graphics applicable for students studying BTech first year. Please read the question. The NDP of a line PQ. PQ is the name of the line is 30 mm above HP. The point P is located 30 mm above HP and 35 mm in front of VP. The line is inclined at 35 degree to HP. Okay, its top view is 70 mm long and inclined at 40 degree to XY. Draw its projections. Find the true inclination of the line with VP. So we'll write the data given in the question. The name of the line is PQ. So written it here. And 30 mm above HP, the point P. They're saying about the end P is 30 mm above HP. So P is 30 mm above HP. And 35 mm in front of VP. In front. In front distance is given as 35. 35 mm in front of VP. Okay. In front of VP, the line is inclined at 35 degree to HP. The line is inclined means that is the true inclination of the line denoted as theta. Theta is 35 degree. Angle inclined to HP will comes above the XY line. That we'll see while drawing the diagram is given as a theta. The top view is 70 mm long. So top view means the top view length is given as 70 mm written and inclined at 40 degree to HP. That is a 40 degree to XY. 40 degree means there is a top view inclination. It is top view inclination symbol used is beta. Beta is a 40 degree. These are the data given in the question. Is written on the drawing sheet. And now I'll erase this part, question part, and we'll draw the diagram or draw its projections. That is a reference diagram is drawn on the side of the drawing sheet with usual notations are followed. So this is will be the XY line, marked X and Y, capital X and Y. So this is a location of point A dash. And vertical to this perpendicular will be A. Is usually marked like this. This is the point A lies above HP. That comes above the XY line. In front distance of point A will come below the XY line. Okay. So later we consider the dimensions. Instead of AB, we are going to consider PQ. Okay. Next we will use to draw theta. Theta is true inclination with HP. True inclination is not given in the question, but usually we will draw like this. Is angle inclined to theta degree that will come above the XY line. This end point. This will be the true length of the line marked as B1 dash. This will be the true length. Okay, TL. Simply written as TL. And we used to draw, this is front view true inclination is denoted as theta. The corresponding top view will be is a projection line drawn by 2H pencil. Then here you draw one horizontal locus line passing through point A. This point shall be marked as B1 dash means this will be B1 dash will not come. This is a true length corresponding top view, not final top view. Similarly, inclined to VP, that angle will always comes below the XY line. Okay, the angle is inclined to VP, that always comes below the XY line, is denoted as phi is the angle. Okay, this will be the true length of the line. This true length and this true length will be same. The end point of this true length line will be marked as, we'll put notation B2, B suffix 2. Then we'll use to draw a locus line. Locus line means horizontal line passing through point B1 dash. This will be the corresponding locus line. Similarly, another locus line passing through B2, horizontal line. Okay. Now, what will be the next step in the reference diagram? With A dash as center and this distance. Before that, we have to project a B2, vertical projector from B2 drawn upward. Where this intersects with this horizontal line is marked as, remaining length you can erase it. Okay, this point shall be marked as B2 means here B2 dash will come. Okay, letter with dash. Okay, next what is given? We have to draw the final top view and final top view and final front view. For that, keeping A dash as center, cut a arc with this radius. We used to draw like this. Okay. Then here you draw one arc. This arc where it intersects with the locus line is marked as B dash. Similarly, with A as center, AB1 as radius, draw an arc downward. This arc where it intersects with the locus line passing through B2 shall be marked as B in the top view. Okay, next you join A and B. This will be the final top view. Correspondingly, A dash, B dash will be the final front view. These are the various steps to be followed. And further, we have to mark alpha and beta. This is front view. A dash, B dash is the final front view. Its inclination with horizontal. Its inclination with horizontal is marked as alpha angle. That is a front view inclination. Similarly, top view is AB. Its inclination with horizontal will be marked as beta. Okay. This is reference diagram. With this reference diagram as reference, I am going to draw the final FAIR diagram with PQ as the end point. Instead of AB, I am going to mark PQ. And further, yeah, it's completed. This is top view. A dash, B dash is the final top front view. Comes above the XY line. And AB is the final top view that will come below the XY line. Okay. Now, in our question, instead of AB, we are going to mark PQ. Take your drafter scale, draw the reference line called as XY line. Okay, draw a reference line. Extend this line. Is marked as X and Y. That is, this is at the reference line. And now come to the data part. P is 30 mm. Instead of A, I am going to consider this is end point P is 30 mm above HP. This is horizontal plane. This is vertical plane. This height is 30 mm above HP. And 35 mm in front. In front means this distance between BP and the location of point P. That's it. This distance is 35 mm. So 35 mm will come below the XY line and 30 mm above HP will usually comes above the XY line. That is above the HP is above the XY line. So mark the distance 30 mm, location of point P. Somewhere on the XY line, draw a vertical line. Okay. So this height is taken as 30 mm above HP. 30 mm means 3 centimeter. So this height is taken as, there you draw one horizontal line. This height is 30 mm above HP, marked as P dash. There you draw one horizontal extension line. Similarly, below, in front of VP, the distance is 35. 35 mm will come below the XY line. You have to see the introduction video on projection of straight line. There I explained the concepts. Basic concepts. Here you draw one extension line. This point shall be marked as P in the top view. Top view will come below the XY line. Front view will come above the XY line. Okay. Next you draw dimension line parallel to P dash and P. Using the vertical scale of a drafter, these works are carried out. This then put two narrow arrowhead, shade the arrowhead, and you can write or mark the distance. Above HP is 30 mm. Okay. 30. Don't write mm. Similarly, below the XY line will be the in front of VP. The distance of point P is 35 mm. Okay. Then what is given? This we have marked 30 mm above HP, 35 mm in front of VP. Then theta is given as 35 degrees. This angle is theta. Theta is 35 degree. Take your protractor. Here, protractor you will have one horizontal line, and the center will be referenced as P dash. Before that, you draw one horizontal line passing through P dash. This will be locus line passing through P dash. With this as reference, mark an angle of 35 degree. Read like this. Theta is 35 degree. Read like 0, 10, 20, 30, 35. Put a point. Okay. Join the marked points P dash and the marked point. Okay. The true length is not given. This TL is not given. We don't know where it will come. So let me leave as it is up to now. And beta is given as 40 degree. Beta is top view inclination. Okay. So draw locus line passing through P. With this as P as reference, mark an angle of 40 degree. This beta is the top view inclination is given, beta 40 degree. You turn your protector with P dash as center of your protector, mark an angle of 40 degrees. Read like this, downward. 0, 10, 20, 40, put a point. Join the marked points using freehand scale. This is ordinary scale. Further, what is given? The top view length. Top view length is given as 70 mm, that is AB distance. Here PQ will come. Distance is given as 70 mm. Take 70 mm in your compass. 70 mm means 7 centimeter. So 70 mm distance is taken, and with P as center, cut an arc on this inclined line. This point shall be marked as, here B is given. Similarly, here Q will be the letter. This is top view, TB. Okay. So next, what you have to do? These are the usual. All the data have been used. A beta 40 degree. T top view length is 70 mm, 35 mm in front of VP, 30 mm above HP. All these data have been used. Next, you have to draw the final projections. Okay, so draw locus line passing through Q. That is, this is a line. Using longer scale of a drafted, draw a locus line passing through point Q. Okay, next, what is given? So we're going to draw an arc. This is the arc. Okay, take your compass, keeping P as center and PQ as radius. Draw an arc upward. This arc where it intersects with the horizontal line passing through point P. This is horizontal line passing through point P. Is marked as B suffix 1 in the reference diagram. Here we have to change the letter. Here it will be Q means Q suffix 1. Instead of B, we are going to mark Q suffix 1. Okay. So next we have to draw a vertical projector passing through point Q. So comparing with this diagram, I am following the FAR diagram sequence. ABS reference, here PQ. So you draw vertical projector where it intersects with this theta. This angle is theta. Earlier we marked as 30 degree theta. So this is a vertical projector passing through B1. Here Q1. This point will be the Q suffix 1 dash. Okay. Would you be able to follow? So these are the steps to be followed. Comparing with the reference diagram. Here Q1 dash, there we have to draw one locus line using the longer scale of F. That is, this is the line I am drawing. Okay. So this will be the true length. P dash, Q dash, Q1 dash will be the true length. Similarly, we take the distance is to be measured. Before that, we will measure the true length. It comes to 81 mm. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85 mm. Yeah, true length. This is true length of the line. TL. TL stands for true length. So we obtain the answer. One of the answer. Find its true length. They asked in the question. So TLS equal to 85 mm. You have to measure from the diagram. One of the answer we obtained. Similarly, with this as input, take the true length in your compass. That is a P dash Q1 dash. True length is taken 85 mm. Cut a arc on this P as reference. Cut a arc on this locus line. Okay. This point of intersection shall be marked as Q2. This is B2, here Q2. Then draw a vertical projectile passing through point. This is a line passing through B2. Here Q2. This locus line where it intersects with the horizontal line passing through A dash, that is the P dash. This shall be marked as Q2 means Q2 dash will come. This point shall be marked as Q2 dash. Then the last step is to be worked out. With this radius, P dash as center, P Q2 dash as radius. That is, this is the arc I am drawing. Draw an arc upward. This arc where it intersects with the locus line passing through B1 dash. Here Q1 dash shall be marked as PQ. PQ is the name of the line. So we will change the letter. Instead of B dash, we have to put Q dash. Q dash. This is arc upward. This is arc. This is also upward arc. Here will be drawn. Okay. This point shall be marked as Q dash in the front view. Then join P dash and Q dash is the final front view. Is to be drawn by HB or H pencil, appears to be dark. Is the answer like that. Okay. Similarly, join PQ in the top view. Already it was joined. Okay, PQ is the final top view. We already joined. That is input data given in the question. And you have to join. Here A B2 is joined. True length is taken as 85 mm. Join A PQ2. PQ2 is a true inclination with VP. Okay. So what they asked in the question is to find true inclination with VP. This is that angle called phi. Understand? So take your protractor, measure this angle. Turn your protractor with P as center. Measure this angle. Right like this downward. 10, 20, 30. It comes to 31 degree. Q dash is the final. That is true inclination with VP. That will come below the XY line. Phi is measured as 31 degree. Okay. Inclined to HP, this angle is theta is already given in the question. Phi equal to 31 degree. You can try it for reference like this. Okay. True length is measured as, this is the distance. P dash Q1 dash is, remain length you can erase it. Okay, this distance is true length. The same true length is copied at here. PQ2 is also true length, TL. Yeah, it's complete, it looks correct. And put a box for your answer using the drafter scale. And right side lower part of a diagram, you can draw two guidelines and write all dimensions are in mm. Mm means millimeter is a unit followed. So right side lower part of a diagram, draw two guidelines and you can write all dimensions are in mm. Okay, this completes the final projections. Yes, looks correct. Thanks for listening. Yes.